Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Bull Bay. We're going to take a look at the new Bull Bay sign that was recently put up. Now they're going to be building a park right by the sign. So we're going to take a look at it and show you guys what's going on. Now this is Water Commission doing some work on the road that was just opened. I guess I have no idea what they're doing or why they waited after the road is paved to dig it up, but it happens. But this is a very nice road. You can see a stoplight is going to go there. The street lights are up around this side. It was actually opened a few days ago, officially opened. Alright, so we're heading towards the park now. It's by the Keene River, and they have two bridges out here, and between the two bridges you have the park. It's still a work in progress, but the Bull Bay sign is up. Okay, so on the right is the park. We've started putting in some trees. So we're going to go around the roundabout now and take a look at the sign. There it is, very nice sign. It actually does a lot for the area. And when the park is finished, Bull Bay. Now Bull Bay is going to become another part of Kingston. It's going to become like the suburbs of Kingston. It's 5 minutes. It's actually 4 minutes from the Harborview roundabout to where we are now. 4 minutes. Okay, looks like they have lights on it too. So we're going to come back here one night and take our drive and take a look at the street lights and the Bull Bay sign. Alright guys, well enjoy the rest of the tour as we head back into Kingston.